Yeah, so today we're going to be unboxing the Cruzer dial USB flash drive. So from SanDisk, this is 30 GB. This is great for transferring music files, photos, computers, files, and you can also use it with the SanDisk Secure Access software. So if you get it, so this is really nice. This is backwards compatible with your following computer, models, so you can use Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and for MacBook or iMac people, you can works with the software built in the Mac OS and the V10.simplest and read that around. With photos, you can store 1,800 photos. With 80 minutes and with 2,000 songs, and it has 8 GB for Office files. For music, it has 2,000 songs. And video, you can do 80 minutes, and yeah, capacity is 30 GB. There's this one that there was a ton of colors, but I was like, I'm gonna get this one. So yeah, let's get to it. Gonna rip it open this time if I can. Come on. This should be as easy as opening a micro SD card if I can try on this side. Man, I'll just start peeling it then, because it's already ruined, so why not just cut it out of its misery and finish it off. Maybe I can tear it. There we go. So if you guys don't know what this is, it's like a little USB flash drive, little drive. You could store a ton of files and stuff in it. Just plug it in your PC and it's there you go. Comes out and it can it swap or something? Yeah, here like has that little like tuning thing. It's just kind of cool. Can stick it out and in. That's really cool. So you can plug it in and yeah, there you go. Won't have nothing to worry about because it'll all be safe right on your SanDisk USB drive. So yeah, that was the unboxing of this one. Kind of ripped open. Different this time. Usually use like a pocket knife or scissors. This is the unboxing of the Cruzer dial USB flash drive. Hope you like it. If you did, like the video. And don't forget to subscribe not to miss any content. Anyway, guys, yeah, that's the unboxing. I'll see you guys later.